All right, let's kick things off and talk about our course project. So here's the situation. You've just been hired by AdventureWorks Cycles. It's a global manufacturing company, and they want you to design and deliver an end-to-end business intelligence solution from scratch. Now, this won't be a simple project. The client needs a way to track core business KPIs like sales, revenues, profit, and returns, but also compare regional performance across sales territories, analyze performance and trending at the product level, and forecast future profits, and use the data to identify the company's high-value customers. And as if that's not challenging enough, all you've been given to work with is a folder of raw CSV files that contains information about transactions, returns, products, customers, and territories. But don't worry, we're going to work through this together. I'm here to coach you through each step of the way and break down the project into a few core objectives. So our mission here is to use Power BI Desktop to connect and transform the raw data from those CSV files, use those tables to build a relational data model to blend information together, create new calculated columns and DAX measures, and finally design an interactive report to actually analyze and visualize all of this data. So let me give you a little sneak preview of the project that we're actually going to be creating from a completely blank canvas. So what you're looking at here is the final deliverable that we're going to provide to our AdventureWorks clients. We've got an executive summary here that allows you to break down the data and explore information by categories, by product subcategories. We can see the core business KPIs, the revenue, order volume, and returns for the current month. We'll provide a quick snapshot of the most ordered products and the top revenue driving products, and include the ability to filter down the entire page by specific sales regions. Not only that, but we'll include drill through functionality to dive deeper into specific product performance and provide insight like pacing against targets, profit trending over time, and forecasts into the future, and even scenario tests to see the impact of pricing adjustments on actual bottom line company profits. Last but not least, we'll provide a view that's all about the AdventureWorks customer so that we can see the top revenue driving customers, breakdowns by demographics like gender, income level, and occupation. We'll see orders by age, top customers and top line metrics, and bookmarks and links to tie it all together. So again, we're going to be working through the business intelligence workflow together step by step to build this entire project from nothing but a folder of raw CSV files. I hope you're excited. We've got a lot ahead of us. Let's dive in.